How to download Car Mechanics Simulator 2021 on PC. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps to download and install Car Mechanics Simulator 2021 on your PC. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just love simulation games, this video will help you get the game quickly and easily, so let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and simply search for Car Mechanics Simulator 2021. Once you've done that, simply hit on enter, and as you can see here, simply tap on Steam's official website and it will take you to Steam page. As you can see here, our game, this is the game that we want to download. Scroll down a little bit and you can find an option to buy Car Mechanics Simulator 2021. Simply tap on add to cart. Now tap on view my cart. Now all you need to do is tap on continue to payment. Simply enter your preferred payment method, and once you do that, you'll be able to purchase the game. Once you've purchased the game, you'll be able to download and install it on your PC. And that's how you download and install Car Mechanics Simulator 2021 on your PC.